Another day, another crawl. So, eto na yung upgrade parts natin, no? Puro mga metal upgrades ng MN128. So, ito yung metal rear hub, metal rods, metal shock mounts, metal steering hubs, metal hubs, metal body stand, metal drive shaft, 72mm oil type shocks, front and rear rod bracket and servo mount, metal chassis skid plate, metal center transmission gearbox, metal transmission gearbox, front and rear metal axle bridge assembly. So yun lang yun yung mga upgrade parts natin, lahat puro metal. So abangan nyo na lang sa pagkakabit natin. So rock and roll.